Let's go, IG. I know we could do it, y'all. We can all come together every day, spreading peace. Forget about the negativity and all the other stuff and the attacking and all of the stuff dragging us down. Let's uplift each other. Let's love thy neighbor like they say to do in the Bible, man. Act like you didn't see that ice fall in my head. Yeah. That's God telling you. This message is real. You gotta believe. You gotta see it. Nobody else believes in you. You gotta feel it. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep fighting against the negativity, man. Let's go. We got this.